So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about top 2 stocks that we can buy right now and which may give some very good returns for short term followed by long term as well. So what are those two stocks? So first we'll discuss the basic fundamental details followed by financials, and after that we'll move on to the technical charts to find out the best region to enter. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and most importantly do join the Telegram group. I'll provide a link in the comment section. Okay, so the first stock that we're going to discuss today is going to be Tinplate Company. So the name itself, you can understand what actually the company does. So basically it is a subsidiary of Tata Steel. So we can say it has a very good strong backbone, and it was incorporated in 1920. So the main headquarters of Tinplate is basically located in Kolkata, and it is mainly engaged in the business of cut steel and coil form, whatever, using cans, whatever they manufacture. So the company also technically it is present at a very sound region. So once we discuss the basic fundamentals, we'll go to the charts. Okay, so first thing, if you see the market cap of the company, it is around 3,322 crores. So current price is around 317 rupees. High is around 326, low is around 126. So not much difference. So it has given some very good consolidation, and finally it has entered into the breakout regions. Stock P is only around 19.1, book value is around 80.8 rupees. Dividend also is being given, and that percentage is also 0.63%. Coming to return on capital employed, it is 17.1%, and return on equity is 12.2. So very decent numbers in terms of percentage as well. Okay, so next important thing is what are major pros and cons. So whenever we invest in any company, we search for what are the major strengths and negatives. So first, whatever the strength we observe is whether the company is having debt or not. So here we can see completely the company is debt free, and whatever the quarter result it is expected to be declared, so that is going to be great. So remember that thing, and company has been maintaining a healthy dividend payout. So next, coming to cons, what are the major negatives? You can see company has low return on equity. So that is not a big deal, and the company now significantly, if the quarter results are fantastic, then definitely all the numbers would significantly be changed. Okay, so next, moving further towards the basic peer comparison in the market, you can see Tinplate Company around PE. If you see valuation wise, it is around 19.13. So very good PE, not even overvalued, and in the same way, not even oversold. In mid range, the PE is also present, and major companies which are involved in this particular segment, so they are also at a very good valuation. So except Hindu Copper, which is trading at little higher valuations because we know certain news are present on that particular stock. Okay, so next, moving further, if we try to compare the return on capital employed with other companies, so you can see ROC is around 17.14, and if we compare with others, so there we can see a little fluctuation is present, but it is also at a very good range. Okay, so next, moving further towards the financials of Tinplate, you can observe the operating profit. So quarter on quarter basis, a very good increment. So previous quarter it was 85. So in June 2021, you can see it is 3-digit figure. So from double digit, it has entered into triple digit, and profit before tax, you can see it is 92 crores. Earlier it was only 74. Net profit is 69. So quarter on quarter basis, we have seen some very good increment. So financials, fundamentals, and a very good backbone of Tinplate is making fundamentally the stock look very good. So this is fundamental wise. So quickly let's go on to charts as well. Okay, so first discussing on weekly chart time frame. So what can you observe when clearly you observe the weekly chart? So clearly it is indicating a very good breakout. So why I am discussing is one of the reason because of the breakout the stock has given recently. So the stock is looking very strong in terms of technicals. So if you want to enter at the current levels, also the stock is very favorable, and you can go for investing as much as you can because fundamentally and technically both ways the stock is very bullish. So this is weekly chart. So if we go on to daily chart, you can see here also 3 days we have seen back to back little bit of consolidation, and I can say it is accumulation. So when such things happen, a good move, either strong upside possibilities are high. Okay, so that is what I can tell. So this is about the first stock, tin plate. So let's even go to second stock, that is I'll discuss now. Okay, the second stock is going to be Prince Pipes and Fittings. So this is one of the favorite stock that we used to discuss regularly in our YouTube channel. So starting from 180 rupees, you can see current levels are more than 700 rupees. So very good rally is seen, and again the stock is ready for a good breakout. So what is the reason and all, we'll try to discuss as well. So coming to basic details, it obviously we know it is involved in CPVC piping segment and fundamentally very good. And if you see market cap 8,245 crore, not a joke, it's not a small cap company, so mid cap company. And if you see high and low, you can see high is around 795, low is around 210, and ROC it is 28.8%, ROE is around 23.8%. so these numbers are also pretty good. So next, moving on to pros, again the company is debt free and expected to give some very good quarter result, and you can say delivered good profit growth. So cons only is trading at little high regions, because already we know piping segment is evergreen segment, and investing in these type of stocks for long term definitely would generate some very good wealth. Okay, so next, having a peer comparison in the market, you can see PE wise 36.11, but major leader in the market is Astral Poly. So its valuation is also at a high region because it is a strong established company. Market cap also is huge. So definitely all these companies you can see set of 7, all are number one. So don't worry about that. So any stock you invest from these for long term, you will be benefited. So our point of view is Prince Pipes, especially for swing trading. So once we go to technical charts, we'll discuss the levels. So ROCE wise, it is around 28.84 and giving a good competition in the market. And next, if we see operating profit is little volatile, but on quarter basis, the stock has improved very well. And in the last quarter, some dip was present, but again, the company will manage to do well because in global markets also the company has very good presence. Okay, so next, moving to the technical section. So this is very important. So what are the fundamentals we have discussed? So that is well known to all of us. So technicals wise, you can see earlier also we used to discuss near this particular level. So back to back breakouts were observed and the stock has also entered very well. So now again, the stock is in this particular range. So if it breaks, remember, so if it breaks whatever the 800 rupees level, you can expect a sharp rally in the stock, and even it may go above, you can say 900 rupees also. Chances are very high. So make sure you're watching this particular range very well. Okay, that's what current market price, you can take entry at 760 plus. So you can take it 760 plus, and if it breaks the region, you can definitely expect a strong upside in the stock. Okay, so if it breaks 760 comfortably, you can take trade in Prince Pipes. So as I told, a range breakout would be clearly visible. So coming towards money flow index, you can see the volumes also have spiked very well. So in weekly chart, volumes are also spiking. So what does it indicate? A good breakout chances are high. So keep this particular stock in a radar. So let's confirm even in daily chart. Okay, so in daily chart, can you see again the spike in volumes? Obviously, as compared to previous days, you can see the volume has also spiked in. It implies some good action may take place, and the stock percentage wise on Friday also it has given some very good move. So 760 above, you can go for buying this particular stock for targets of 900. So this is all about the two stocks that you can hold for short term, and up to your wish you can carry forward them to long term as well. So any other queries you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.